night, I heard strange sounds. It was like a thundering roar, like the sky was falling. I couldn't see anything in the sky. When I looked outside, this is what I saw. Yes, apparently the strange sounds were caused by heavy branches laden with ice and snow falling from the sky. Apparently, it's happening all over town. Do we call the city commissioner? I hear strange sounds, but I can't see anything in the sky. What are these strange sounds? Perhaps this could account for some of the strange sounds in the night. The sky is falling. Can you hear it? Those strange sounds? These strange sounds are being heard all over the world. It's just not natural. More strange noises. But I can't see anything in the sky. Indeed, the sky is falling. And that sound, that strange sound. I heard strange sounds all night, and when I woke up, this was on my arm. Just got a report from Sister out there. She says it's apocalyptic. All day there have been police sirens and car alarms going off. Was it those strange sounds? Sister reports Barnes & Noble will not allow anyone to recharge their devices. The grocery store has no power. It's only running on generators, so they're giving away all their frozen food. And the people, they're going about strangely desperate. She says it's like apocalyptic. She was so desperate, she got on an airplane and she flew north, where it's colder and icier. Never mind. Perhaps she's taking matters into her own hands and taking down Harp single-handedly. The possible source of all those strange sounds. Whatever the strange sounds are, like those, they're outside, and inside I am warm and dry.